I decided to create this video after watching Erik Voorhees' speech. Why are we here? I will put the link to his speech in the description box below. I wish the Bitcoin vanity gen scammers watched it and reflected about the criminal actions, because stealing has nothing to do with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was not created to be a tool for thieves. It has been 5 years and 9 months since I posted my video on this channel. You can find the link in the description box below. In that video, I exposed the Bitcoin vanity gen scam website and shared what to do if you were scammed by them back then. Fortunately, the information I provided helped many people avoid falling victim to the same scam. Some even managed to recover funds from the compromised Bitcoin addresses before the criminals could take action. I am sharing here the addresses that contain Bitcoin stolen by the individuals behind BitcoinVanityGen.com. The fraudsters managed to steal more than 10 Bitcoins. One of the benefits of Bitcoin is that the thief has documented their crime on the blockchain, and the rightful owners will always be able to confirm the origin of their coins and how they acquired them, unlike the thief. Ethical hackers. Please watch my previous video from 2017, which ultimately contributed to taking down the scammer's website. Check if there is any information that can help us identify the individuals who owned BitcoinVanityGen.com at that time. If you are fortunate in the crypto world, please consider supporting the ongoing investigation of this case. My Bitcoin address is in the description, now using a hardware wallet. Your support can make a significant difference, and your generosity can change my life. If 500 generous people sent a donation of only 0.00524 satoshis, I would recover my loss. I lost 2.62 Bitcoins in 2017, and my life has never been the same since. I fell into depression for many years because the loss of the money I had saved for a long time, intended for a house down payment, had a negative impact on me and my family in many ways. Even if I work for the rest of my life, saving every month, I won't be able to accumulate these Bitcoins again, as my current job only pays me $20 an hour. I took the risk in 2017 because I genuinely believed that Bitcoin would appreciate significantly. If any of you watching can make a donation, your contributions can help me recover some of my losses and will be deeply appreciated. But this isn't just about my loss, it's about the many others who were affected by this scam. I reached out to some crypto influencers when their channels were much smaller than they are today. If you're one of these influencers I connected with and remember my story, you know who I am. I would greatly appreciate it if you could inform your followers that my story is genuine, and scams like these in the past affected many newcomers to the crypto space. It's always important to educate people about the importance of being vigilant in safeguarding their Bitcoins. I hope that one day, justice will prevail for me and all the others who fell victim to this embarrassing scam. Thank you for your time. If you share this video or discuss it, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. By the way, there are many scammers who post comments all over the place claiming they can recover Bitcoins that have been lost to fraud. Don't fall for that. No reputable detective agency would use comments on YouTube videos to offer their services. I wish you all the best in keeping your Bitcoins safe and living happy lives. If you were also a victim of BitcoinVanityGen.com in the past, please share your address in the comments below. If you can sign the wallet with your private key and have evidence of how and where you acquired your Bitcoins, this information might assist in recovering them when the scammers are apprehended. Thank you for watching this video.